Hee-ya, hee-ha, ha, ha, ha. Man. I'm not telling you what this is. I'm not telling you what this is. Ooh. Oh, bubble wrap. Love bubble wraps. Doesn't even let you pop this in a second. No! Wait, what? Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is insanely huge for you to order, Daddy. This is insanely huge. Like, I mean, it literally fits the whole box when it's huge. Wow. I'm gonna use this cardboard for other stuff that we need. I wonder if we're gonna make a 3D Iron Man out of this. Sorry that I kicked you. Yeah, because you suck. You little box. Just kidding. Okay. What is this? Huh?
Yes, I think this is for the lever at the side.
Yeah, maybe, Daddy. Maybe. Well, there's some what do you call this again? Styrofoam. Styrofoam.